Ow. Shit, that hurt. That hurt, man. That hurt, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get some paint on this Nerf bar. I'm using this Lumi Blast Seymour. The label, I had it in warm water, which you always want to do when you spray paint. So, can I get some focus? Or whatever, you see what it is. Definitely cheaper than powder coat. Honestly, I could flip these, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. Quick shot of the pipe, hit it back on, and the silencer. All right, fam, so a couple more steps left before I put on the Nerf bars. I'm gonna wash this guy up. I mean, I didn't get it as shiny as I wanted, but it looks way better than it did before I pulled it off and cleaned it up. I'm gonna hit the motor with some of this gunk engine degreaser. I'm not gonna leave it on too long, leave it on for a couple minutes. Some issues getting the other panel off. I stripped the screw out, and I don't feel like cutting it right now, so I'm gonna hit these, spray down these radiators with some super clean wheel cleaner. With some super clean wheel cleaner. Don't look at my ashy hands, I've been working all day. But I'm gonna hit it with this super clean all wheel cleaner, get some nice foam action on there. Hopefully I can get these radiators looking better. Cleaned up. I'm hoagie on this joint. boy, leaving a trail of bolts. I think I heard when the exhaust came out too. Culprits right here. Bro, how did I not screw the pipe down all the way? Tripping. Walk of shame.